Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Jeffrey Strojan in this video, my snack reviews, Ruffles, Queso cheese. Jeffrey asked me to react to this video and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hello everyone, it's again. Today I'm going to be doing another snack review. But before I start, I want to say, if you like this video on my channel, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell on for every time I upload. And so I'm all ready. Let's get to it right now. So today everyone, I got something different. I got some guys never I did the plate. Some of you guys know I want to show you. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's not going. I get the regular Ruffles queso cheese. So yeah, I got my hands on them. Like I said, I was gonna do the review on the regular Ruffles queso cheese. Some of you guys never. I did a review on the flaming hot one, flaming hot queso cheese. Now I'm gonna be reviewing the regular one now. So now we're ready. Let's get this open. Oh yeah. Now I'm ready to get my first. Not bad. Really good. Oh yeah. Tastes really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they have the cheese part, and the queso cheese in it. Not bad stuff.
Wow.
Oh yeah. No, I seen other reviews on this themselves, and I also seen some other the reviews on the flaming hot one also. So yeah. They're so good. Oh, one comment about my shirt, on my shirt. There. Oh yeah, it tastes so good. Oh yeah. It tastes really delicious. Really good. Whenever I get the chance to, I'll probably find other favorites of Ruffles, just so I can review it. I'll know more. Be able to review them whenever I get the chance to. Because sometimes there was some flavors that's not available in America or online.
probably.
Some guys like that. They have my other snack reviews I did. So yeah. But so far, try the regular queso cheese. It's really, really good.
Sorry, everybody, had to crack my neck. Sorry, sorry.
Oh yeah. Tastes really good. Oh yeah. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, when I give my final rating on this, I give it 10 out of 10. It's good. Hope you guys like it. And some of you guys that have not reviewed this yet, go and pick this up if you haven't yet. I know I've seen some others that have reviewed it. Like some people, like the endorsement and some others. You know, some people have reviewed it, but I wonder if there's anyone else that have yet to review this. Because now I have reviewed it myself. So yeah. So that's snack review. And I hope you guys like this snack review. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos and reaction videos and snack and reviews and other videos on my channel to your friends and me also if you want to choice. Because I am making it. So yeah. Excuse me. Bells there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And we're on the road to 3K. On the main channel, we're on the road to 3K subscribers. And on the backup channel, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. So yeah. And that's the end of the snack review. And also y'all, for more banger content and more banger reviews. So I'll see you next time. Turn signing out, and peace out, shortlist, and peace out, everyone.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to Jeffrey Strojan's channel, make sure you guys subscribe, give both our videos a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 9,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists on both my main channel and my second channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 9,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 4,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the two playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well, also please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate that too. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.